crew first came, when they set up and they made the site safe, they inspected the pole again. They verified the required measurements to ensure that the truss would be acceptable for this structure. They set up a winch pole and all the gear to drive this truss into the ground. After verifying that there were no locates, there's minimal excavation on this property, so there wasn't any utilities to take a look at below grade. We were able to drive the truss, as you can see, with minimal impact around the base to its desired depth of 5 feet. So 5 feet below grade, 5 feet above grade. Once that truss was installed, we were able to apply the bands around the truss, and these are the bands that hold it to the pole. And this is where the reinspection occurs, right here and right here, because that is now your critical moments on this pole. And here is your new bending moment on this structure, as opposed to where it was down here where it had decay and it was weak. After those bands are installed under tension, we clean up the site, we apply the cover cap, and this is protection for linemen. If they were to slide down the pole, they don't have any sharp or direct edges or right angles. We applied, in this particular structure, we applied internal treatment and fumigant to protect the existing wood from future decay growth and give you a longer life with this pole and this truss. We paint everything to match and blend in with the surroundings, and then we add our tag to signify who was here and what year it was done. If you look at the pole, the entire structure, you'll see that the pole top is good, and there was no reason to replace a pole like this just because of some ground line decay. So at the end of the day, we have a fully functional, fully serviceable pole that should give you many, many years of additional life.